Before reward, there must be labor. You plant before you harvest. You sow in tears before you reap the joy. A very warm good morning, everyone. This is Noorpreet from 80 Standard, and I welcome you all to the online morning assembly held by JPS Academy. The best time of the day is when we take the name of the God. So I would like to join my team for morning prayer. As we know, our day would start with something good and something positive. So I would like to call Kirti for the thought.
All of you, my name is Kirti Rana from class 8D. Today, thought of the day is life is so brighter when we focus on what truly matter. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Kirti, for this thought. As we know, Lodi is most celebrated festival in northern India, and it is time to reconnect with relatives and friends and send them heartily wishes. And Lodi is not much far. So on this auspicious occasion, I would like to call Ishika for poem on Lodi.
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम इशिका है। मैं कक्षा 8वीं ड की छात्र हूँ। मैं आज आप सबके सामने लोहड़ी पर एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। लोहड़ी आई, सर्दी खत्म होने को आई, दिन बड़े होने की खुशी में हम सब ने है लोहड़ी मनाई। 13 जनवरी का दिन है आया, खुशियों ने है डेरा डाला, सुंदरी मुंदरी के गीतों से हमने ये लोहड़ी का त्यौहार मनाया। लोहड़ी आई, मिलकर हम सब एक दूजे को दे बधाई, जात पात का भेद मिटाकर मिलकर हम ने डांड जलाई, मूंगफली और रेवड़ी को अग्नि में डाल लोहड़ी के गीतों से हम सब ने लोहड़ी के शोभा बढ़ाई। कुछ दिन पहले से बच्चों ने घर घर जाकर लोहड़ी मांगी, देनी माए लोहड़ी तेरे द्वारे सारी टोली है, देनी माए लोहड़ी तेरे द्वारे सारी टोली है आई। लोहड़ी आई, सबने इसे दिल से हम आप सबको मेरी ओर से लोहड़ी की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
Thank you, Ishika, for this beautiful poem. From all the main festivals, Makar Sankranti is one of them. It is mostly celebrated festival all over the India. So here I would like to invite Ridham for presenting a speech on Makar Sankranti.
All of you, I am Nidhan from class 8 and today my speech is on Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti is a celebration of the harvest festival. We all know that spring is the most brilliant of all the seasons. It is painted by the pleasant weather, calm winds and sunny but not scorching weather. All of these seasons together makes spring this perfect season to grow crops and sustain high crop yield. On Makar Sankranti, 14 January, special dishes are made like til, laddus, khichdi and other sweets. People take bath in holy rivers, Ganga, to wash away their sins. People also do charity on this day and donate food like wheat, rice and feeds to poor and needy people. Children on this day by flying kites and eating sweets. Makar Sankranti is celebrated in the whole nations by different names. People decorate their homes with rangoli and flowers. Mega Mela is organized on Makar Sankranti. Thank you and have a nice day and wish you a very happy Makar Sankranti.
Thank you, Rhythm, for this fast information in a speech. Now, I would like to call Nikhil for presenting some news headlines.
I am Nikhil from 8D. Today news headlines are: Trump finally conceded deferred promises orderly transactions. IAE planned to supply COVID-19 vaccine to remote area of the country. Now some sports news are: Liverpool Cup game to go ahead despite virus outbreak. IOC member raises question mark over Tokyo Olympics. Now some weather news are: today maximum temperature is 19 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature is 13 degrees Celsius. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Nikhil, for giving us this vast information. Now, I would like to call Harjas for presenting some lines on Japji Sahib.
Good morning all of you, myself Harjas from class 8D and today I am going to speak 2 lines on Japji Sahib. पताला पताल लख अगासा अगास ओडक ओडक पर थके वेद कहन इकवार पाव। इन पंक्ति में गुरुजी कह रहे हैं कि पताल के नीचे लाखों और पताल हैं और आकाश के ऊपर लाखों और आकाश हैं। वेदों की जानकारी रखने वाले सभी ज्ञानी इन पातालों और आकाशों का अंत ढूंढते ढूंढते थक चुके हैं और अंत में सभी एक बात कहते हैं कि यह प्रभु की लीला है जिसका कोई अंत नहीं। वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह।
Thank you, Harjas, for presenting these beautiful lines. As we know, Lodi and Makar Sankranti both are not much far. So on this festive occasion, may God bless you with lifelong companionship and opens the door of happiness for you and your family. A very happy Lodi and Makar Sankranti to you all. Thanks and have a cheerful day.